Hello children, welcome to Mathematics Content Library for grade 9. Today we are going to revise the chapter Coordinate Geometry through its mind map. Coordinate geometry is the study of describing position of an object in a plane. It is given by the mathematician Rene Descartes, and so it is named as the Cartesian system. It consists of the two axes, one the x-axis which is horizontal line and the other y-axis which is vertical line. These axes are perpendicular to each other and meet at a point called origin O. Let us see the graphical representation. This is the x-axis which is horizontal. This is the y-axis which is vertical. These two are perpendicular to each other and these two meet at the point O. These two lines make the plane into four parts. Each part is called as the quadrant. This is the quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, quadrant 4. Depending on the value of the x and y axis, each quadrant have different type of signs for their coordinates. The first quadrant has plus plus, second quadrant has minus plus, third quadrant has minus minus, fourth quadrant has plus minus. We can see that all the four are different from one another, and we have to note down here that the first value has to be always the x-axis value and the second value is always to be the y-axis value. We have to note here that the origin, the point where both the axes meet, has the coordinates 0 and 0. So this is the point called as origin, and the coordinates of this point origin is 0 0, because this is 1 2 3 4, this is minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4, here it is 1 2 3, here it is minus 1 minus 2 minus 3. So this is the point origin where both values of x and y, it will be 0. We call the x coordinate as abscissa and we call y coordinate as ordinate. We'll see some examples of plotting a point on the graph. So here you can see the graph. There are some points which are mentioned. So we label these points depending on the x and y coordinate. The first point, when you see this point, it is on the x-axis at minus 6 and it is on the y-axis at plus 3. So the coordinates of this point is given as minus 6, 3. The next point, on the x-axis there is 2 points, on the y-axis there are 4. So the coordinates of this point is given as 2, 4. Moving to this point, we can see that this point is on the x-axis. That's why the y coordinate will be always 0. But the x coordinate is 4. So the coordinates of this point is 4, 0. Moving to this point, it is 1 unit in the x-axis and minus 2 unit in the y-axis. So the coordinates of this point is 1 minus 2. This point, lies on the y-axis. So the x coordinate is 0, whereas the y coordinate is -6. So the coordinates of this point is given by 0, -6. The last point, it is -5 units in the x-axis, whereas -4 units in the y-axis. So the coordinates of this point is given by -5, -4. In this way, we can plot any point on the graph, or in other way, we can find out the coordinates of any point if it is located on the Cartesian plane. That's all about the chapter coordinate geometry. I hope the revision through this mind map helped you to understand the concepts of coordinate geometry in a better way. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.